Good afternoon. This is CBS Update. I would like to info you that you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel or liked this video. Please do that so you won't miss any of my tutorials. And don't forget to share this video or any of my videos with friends.
Hello everyone, I will be giving Cybertruck to all CBS Update subscribers. Kindly like, comment, and share this video.
Let me show you how you can clone any voice. So if you are into celebrity, any kind of live stream you want to do, and you want to clone anybody voice in real time, so make sure you watch this video. And we are going to do this tutorial on phone. So this tutorial is very, very easy. And if you're joining my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share. Make sure you drop comments so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're watching, you will not miss out. All right, so I'm going to show you everything now from scratch. I'm going to make a clone voice of Donald Trump, and I'm going to make a clone voice of what is it called, Elon Musk. All right, so this video is for educational purpose. All right, please, any information in this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose alone. In case you want to prank anybody, in case you want to do some live stream and you want to act like acting. So this video is for educational purpose. Please, YouTube, take note of that. And do not forget to use this promo code if you need urgent cash on one win. So make sure you use this link to sign up on one win. All right, and you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp, or my personal WhatsApp. So let's go to my phone so I can show you how you will go about it. So the first thing you are going to do is, let's search for Apple. So we are going to the Apple Store to download. So once you get there, once you get to the Apple Store, we are going to search. It's still loading. We are going to search for, okay, let's search for an app called Revoice. All right, so you are going to see a Revoice. The first one, just click on it. So once you see that one, you are going to download it. For me, I have it already, so I'm not going to download again. So this is it. So you can see it on my screen as well. So I'm going to open it since I have it. So, but if you don't have, download. You can do that as well on your Android device. So don't forget that. So please make sure you like this video. This is real time. You can see from the screen here, we have a mic option. Now, if you want to say anything, like you want to give out a speech and you want that speech to be cloned to somebody's voice, so your own voice will be here. All right, so you can decide to say whatever things that you want to say. You say it, maybe whatever things that you want to say. You understand? Then you click on the minute rolling to stop it. So just click on it. It's going to stop. Let's play it. All right, so you can see for my the other one here, we have the video icon. If you want to record yourself in voice time, you can see the other one to share option, so to share something in. So if you have a video and that video has the voice that you want to use to clone, maybe your brother voice to the Fido voice, so you are going to upload your brother voice. If your brother is on the video, so you are going to upload that your brother voice here. So that's exactly what you are going to do. So you upload that your brother voice from that option. Then the third option is text. So let's say you want to write something and you want the voice that you want to clone to say this exact stuff. So let's go. I'm going to say good afternoon. This is CBS update. This is This is CBS update. So I will like to inform you that you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or like this video, please do that so you won't miss any of my tutorial. And don't forget to share this video. All right, so okay, all or any of my video. So this particular thing I'm typing, I want somebody like Donald Trump. Okay, we've gotten to the limit. So okay, let me see my videos with friends. Okay, let me take this one off. Just put on friends. Okay, good. So I want Donald Trump voice to help me say this. That's exactly what I'm going to do now, so you can see. So if you can see below, this is it. Let me play the Donald Trump voice for you, so you understand that this is real Donald Trump. This
Who
video is for
engaged in the
educational
attacks
purposes.
last week will be brought to justice.
So you can hear the voice there. That's the voice. So now I'm trying to clone the voice so that this voice can read all those tests in real time. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it a little bit. All right, so we are done. All right, done. So we are done. Sorry for the time.
Those who engaged in the attacks last week will be brought to justice. Now I am asking everyone who has
So
ever
this is the
believed in
main
our
voice
agenda
of
to be
Donald
thinking
Trump.
of ways to
Now
ease
listen to
tension.
what we clone.
Good afternoon, this is CBS Update. I would like to info you that you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel or liked this video. Please do that so you won't miss any of my tutorials. And don't forget to share this video
Can
or
you
any
tell
of
the
my
difference?
videos with
There
friends.
is no difference. You see how easy it is. So this is the text. You can see from the screen. So this is everything that is written there. So you can see. So I'm just trying to screenshot it because I need it. All right. So I'm going to screenshot and save. So now I'm going to try exactly this method with what? With Elon Musk. All right. So I'm going to use the same method with it. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to click where it say Donald Trump, just to select Donald Trump name to Elon Musk. All right. And the funny thing about this thing is it has a lot of other celebrity voice. It has a Doctor Strange. It has a any celebrity, Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, female celebrities. It has their name. You can do search and everybody name will be coming up. I just try
Good
to
afternoon,
regenerate
this
it
is
again.
CBS Update. I would like to info you that you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel or liked this video. Please do that so you won't miss any of my tutorials. And don't forget to share this video or any
All
of
right,
my
so you see,
videos
and
with
if you want to
friends.
download, you can see the download button there. You can see the download button. It has the download button. It has share button. So whichever one, anything you want to use the voice note for, you can do it. And if you want to make a voice record, you want to send voice message to somebody, all you just have to do is you need a two device. You play the sound here. You put the other phone so that you can get the record in real time. Then you send. And it's very, very easy. But this thing I'm showing you is for educational purpose. And you too, you need to be sensitive to be aware that there are people creating this thing. All right, there are people creating this thing, and they can use it illegal way. But on this video is for educational purpose alone. So you need to be aware, not every voice that you see on the internet is the real voice of the person. So be careful. That's why I'm making this video. So here are the list of the celebrity. You can see we have Benedict, which is what is it called, Doctor Strange. We have all that top celebrities there. You can see from the list here. We have Chris Evans. We have Chris Hemsworth, this man that acted Extraction, if you can remember, I think so. So we have various, look at Cristiano Ronaldo, we have DJ Khaled, we have the baby. You can search anybody name. The name idea. Okay, this is Elliot. So we are going to pick Elliot. So we are going to pick Elliot Mock. All right, so now we are done. So the next thing I'm going to do text. So I'm going to text some stuff here. Hello, everyone. Okay, I will be giving Cyber Truck. See, so I'll be giving all my subscribers Cyber Truck. So and Eliomog is going to say this in real time for educational purpose. So please, this video is for educational purpose alone, trying to show people how this app work. Subscriber kindly like and comment and share this video. So I'm going to play Eliomog voice for you first.
I mean, the thing that really got me, and I think is going to get a lot of other people, is that there are just so many false dawns with self-driving, where you think you probably have a handle on it.
So let me generate the clone now with the text. So you see how sweet this tools is. The funny thing about these tools is this tools is free. You don't need to pay. And anytime you're trying to do something and they say you have to use it, you can, wash and add just to generate it. So this is the voice.
Hello, everyone. I will be giving Cybertruck to all CBS Update subscribers. Kindly like, comment, and share this video.
This is awesome. So you can see how smooth the voice is. So I just click on download. Then I write the name. Then I save. You see, these are the voices I've decided to choose so far. So in case you want to generate the voice and they ask you to pay, check the down. All right, you are going to see where they said wash ad to bypass it, so you can watch an advertisement if you exhaust your free mode. All right, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this one you just watched, you won't miss out. Peace and love.